We're gonna play hide the headband today, okay? Tell me, how can I make this even more natural looking than it already is? Revival. Put those clips in though if you got plans to shout. It puts the hair, whoop, lift it up, clip it, bam, it's out the way. Straight up. Y'all, did I drop the ball on this? Their package sauce is always so nice, and you know I'm loving these colors. I really am. Don't come for me about my parts now. We just pray for them. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a different slay today. We're gonna do something a little bit different today, y'all. We're gonna play hide the headband today, okay? Y'all know headband wigs are so easy, they're so simple, they're so convenient. They're a great protective style. We know that. But you know, after a while, we start getting real creative and we just be ready to do something different with it, as if it's not easy enough. Now we got to do something else with it. Y'all know we just be sitting at the house thinking of ways to be creative. Now, how can I make this even more natural looking than it already is? We gonna just go ahead and annihilate the headband, period, from the headband wig. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that right after I show love to my subscriber of the day. You the bomb. Y'all listen, y'all go ahead and subscribe so you can join the family and join the fun. You know you want to be invited to the family reunion, so you gotta be a cousin. Y'all, okay. Y'all, let me tell you something. This yellow shirt is so cute. I love this top, and I got it from Amazon. I love this top. I love it. I love it. I love it. But it makes me feel like I should have some yellow somewhere on my face, and I don't. Y'all, did I drop the ball on this? Look, I need some yellow somewhere off up in there. Okay, y'all. Hold on. Y'all see that? Bam. That's it. That's all. Now, y'all, okay, so today we are talking about how to hide the headband on headband wigs. Now, I know y'all may have seen this before. I wouldn't say all over YouTube, but there are some YouTubers who have illustrated this beautifully. The very first YouTuber that I saw, I'm not sure who was the first one to do it, but the very first one that I saw do it was Simone, Sharice. Y'all, if y'all don't know her, check her out. Her content is always super fab. Y'all make sure you check her out, especially if you guys are into wigs, because she's definitely another wig whisperer, for real. This process is pretty much the same, so I'm pretty much going to be doing the same thing, but I thought it would be a cool thing to bring to my subscribers. So let me tell you about this wig first, y'all. Let me go in decency and in order, because see, sometimes we be getting out of order and it's not decent. The wig that I'm going to be using to show you guys how to hide the headband is from my first wig, y'all. This is their human hair short loose curly headband wig, HBW040, for y'all who are going to be looking for this particular wig. It's really cute, has some really cute loose waves, gives you really like free beachy type vibes, y'all. It's not super long, so for those who say it's too hot, honey, y'all told me on live yesterday that it's like 110 in Arizona every day up until October. I said, I know you lying. And then somebody else from Arizona was like, yes, y'all don't even realize. I said, ooh, child, ooh. In this North Carolina heat be doing the most sometimes. So I don't. My Arizona cousins, y'all okay over there? Huh? Are y'all okay? Do we need to write letters to the folk that do run stuff over there? Because see, ooh, all the time till October, y'all ain't got both October, November, December. Only 1/4 of the year y'all get some free time from the heat. I can't. But yeah, y'all, so this is short. It's 14 inches. The texture is kind of like more on the silky side. They are 100% human hair. This is one of the so y'all, this is human hair, and let me tell you, this particular wig was designed by another YouTuber, Shantania Beckford. So big shout out to that queen for designing this unit. So I just wanted to give you the specs. So this is very easy. You can wear it any sort of way. It's a ready to go look with the loose curls. You literally just, however you're gonna have your hair. It could be a low ponytail, you can have it cornrow back, you can have it flat twisted back, you can have it slick back, you can have it off if it's off. you could do it, put your back into it is what I'm saying to you. Headband wigs are perfect for unexpected meetings, revival. Put those clips in though if you got plans to shop. Zoom meeting, you go to the library, you just want to take a book, read. You got to do a Target run. Bam, put it on, go to Target.
Get you some chocolate covered strawberries from Publix.
Put your little wig on, bam, you already over there. It's done, it's nothing. So it's very realistic. You can leave your edges out or you don't have to. That's the ease of headband wigs, y'all. I love me a good headband wig, especially a human hair headband wig, because there's so many different things. If I want to press it, I can press it. If I feel pressed, I'm gonna press it. I want to leave it curly though today. So that's the specs of the hair. So I'm gonna show you the wig. This is the wig stand. That's the wig stand that you can get from them as well. Their package sauce is always so nice. Package sauce, package sauce, package sauce. Package sauce. Their package sauce is always so nice. And you know I'm loving these colors. I really am. What's up in this box? What's up in this box? Let's see what they sent me, honey. Of course they sent me headbands, y'all. Because this is a headband wig. And they have different sort of headbands there for you. I think that's leopard print. Y'all don't judge me if I get my prints wrong. Y'all know I don't do prints like that. Y'all know I don't do that. I don't be knowing. I know zebra print, so don't do me. These are the headbands that were sent to me. All right. You know they have the wig starter package. Uh-oh. I done snatched the little zipper off. Just excited to get off up in here. You just got to calm down. These are the wig clips. It puts the hair, whoop, lift it up, clip it, bam, it's out the way. Straight up. It's a rat tail comb in here too, y'all, but this rat tail comb is one of the thicker end ones. Leave-in wig conditioning spray. Smooth, moist, soft. Yes! Come on, my first wig for daily use wig conditioning. Only for human hair wigs and hair pieces. Bam! Come on, you're messing up the moment. Come on. Come. There we go. Bam. In your face. Now, let's get into this wig. This is a wig bag, y'all. Y'all get you a wig bag, okay? Get you a wig bag. That's how you keep up with your wigs. And then get you a little shoe holder. Slide it in the shoe holder when you're done wearing it. Wig cap. This is 100% Malaysian virgin hair, okay? My cap size is 1. That's my domology, y'all. That's what fits my head. You take your circumference and you go from there, okay? Here's the wig. Let me take this net off. And I'm so glad they do this. They put the little plastic over the Velcro, y'all, of the strap, because when it gets to you, you don't want this to be pulling on the hair. Little things like that matter to me. So here is the wig. These are the loose waves, and although this texture is silky, it's not a fake silky, y'all. Well, obviously, because it's not, you know, it's human hair, but it's not, you know, sometimes silky can almost get synthetic looking, and this is not, and it feels very natural. 4 combs. These are the 2 on the outside, the 1 in the front, the 1 down here at the bottom. I know it has an adjustable strap, bam, right there. And then this is the headband that's already attached to the wig, okay? So under normal circumstance, hold on, let me just get I'm gonna just do a low ponytail. Under normal circumstances, y'all, this is how you would wear the headband. Okay, y'all, just that quick. So in normal circumstances, you want to just throw it on, honey. It's already got its waves going on. It's already ready for you to plop on and go on over there to Red Lobster and get you some biscuits. It's already ready for that. You see? I didn't do my ignorant edges, y'all. Not yet, because we're not at the point of the video yet, actually. I'm just showing y'all that you can literally just plop this on and go. That's it. That's all. You could be done at this point, okay? You could throw you on a headband. Let me do this. When I get ready to throw on a headband, I like to just get the hair out the way. That way, I can throw on the band and just, bam, plop it on, get it together, cover up the black headband, bam. And you can keep this up, y'all. It's not a game. You think it is, it's not. It's really not. You can put it up like this. You can do that. Get your little ponytail. So you can, let me come down so you can see. Get my superhero pose on. You can be done. You can be done. You could be on your way to Best Buy right now. But that's not what we're here to talk about. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take some leave out. Now don't fret, y'all. We're not putting any heat or anything on this leave out. We not. You think we are, we not. We just gonna go right on across, y'all. Y'all know my parts don't always be right. So don't come for me about my parts now. We just pray for them. Because see, they ain't never really been right. Bam. Now, we're gonna get this out of the way. Now, this part right here, you have some options. You can put this back in your low pony, or you could put you a little anchor braid across this way to clip. It just depends on how long you're gonna wear the wig. Or, what you can do, you know there's gonna be a clip right here in the front, right? Just take you a little square like you're getting ready to do a box braid. If you don't have time to be, or you don't know how to just do a whole braid across this way, I ain't mad, sis. Put you a little plait right here. Just something for that comb to hold on to, okay? You want this wig to hold on to it like a good relationship. Grab this and put it right back in that low ponytail that I had before. But now I have something ignorant right there for the wig to hold on to, okay? Let me wrap this pony.
Wrap it, my pony. Hey!
Take this headband and just fold this in. Fold this headband in as much as you can to where it's just kind of hair exposed right there. Then, fwop. You got to fwop it. Make sure that headband is still up under there now. And put the comb right there where that braid is. And you don't have to put the braid there, y'all. But I just do. Tuck the headband in on the side. Find that comb. Fwop. Fwop it in there. Other side, make sure that headband part is tucked in, y'all. Otherwise, it's really going to defeat the purpose. Fwop. Make sure that back comb is in there. Then take this headband. Take the ends of it. Secure that off up in the back. Now, bam. Okay? Now I know what you're thinking.
Mary, how you gonna sit up there and combine your natural hair with this silky wig?
I'm gonna tell you. Now all it is getting it together. So we're gonna get it together. I'm gonna just show y'all, okay? So this is the final result, y'all. I love how this turned out. I'm gonna just in packaging, sometimes you'll have indentations because of just how the package is folded during shipping. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my water and leave-in conditioner and just kind of get that bend out of there. You know what I'm saying? So it was only like that on one side, but I like to do things in decency and in order. I told y'all that. But I don't want to get it too wet because then it'll kind of, it'll have that wet look, which is cool if that's what you're going for. But I love, y'all know I love big, fluffy, ignorant hair. I don't want to get it too slender. I don't want to get it too slim down. So yes, this turned out really, really, really cute, y'all. These are my sides. I just have them pinned up under here, but here's where we are in the back. Let me, and y'all, this is not a big, large wig. So the bigger the hair is, the more it's gonna, you know, conceal anything going on back here. But I think this is pretty good for this type of wig, being that it's not super duper dense and it is a shorter wig. So listen, I do want to say this before I let you guys go. One thing that I would have changed in my process, and next time I do this, I am going to do it differently. I would apply the gel or the edge control before you put it up into the ponytail. So before you gather this middle section Really, it doesn't matter so much on the sides, but it does here because you want this kind of in shape before you put it in. The ponytail is going to make it so much more easy, you guys. I did it the hard way. I don't know why. I just did. Do your swoop and all this stuff with the edge control. Do that first, then put it up into this ponytail. Also, if your hair is having trouble, I wasn't sure how my hair was going to be with this, so I just kind of left it alone at first. My natural hair was like in all its natural glory, so I ended up taking the wrap out, and then I slicked my leave out down with some edge control, then wrapped it to get it to kind of blend better with this hair. So you can do that. If your hair is having trouble blending in, take you some edge control and kind of just sleek it flat. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense, then wrap it around. And then that's it, y'all. This is cute. I'm about to go take some pictures. I'm gonna let y'all go, but I just wanted to show you there is a way. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Y'all, the information for this wig will be, hold on, let me get it even right here. The information for this wig will be in the description box. Big shout out to my first wig for this baddie. I really like this look. It turned out really well, so I'm so glad I decided to do it this way. Let me know if you guys try this and how it works out for you. And also if any modifications that you guys use to make it easier. I told you my modifications. Let me know what y'all would do. I'm gonna go get some footage, y'all, because it's cute. It's cute, y'all. All right, y'all. In the meantime, between time, I wish y'all all peace, love, and light. Bye.